I just got ready. I have an appointment to go to at 12. So I decided to put on this tank top. It's like a rib knit tank that I got from Gap. And then I have this lacy crochet sweater on top. I believe I thrifted this. And then I have some black trousers on. They're super comfortable. And then for accessories, throw on this black headband. Jewelry, I'm wearing my nomination Italy charm bracelet from Tiffany's. This bracelet I thrifted. Pilgrim jewelry ring, the gold band, and then this sapphire ring is from Linear. And then I have my gold hoops on. And then to finish the whole outfit off, I'm gonna wear my Vivaya flats. I just have my appointment today, and then after that, I might stop by my mom's to get some ingredients because we're celebrating my brother's birthday this weekend, and I am baking a cake. I have to get some ingredients for that. Thinking of making a mint chocolate ice cream cake. I've made an ice cream cake before a few years ago, but it's been a minute, so I think it's gonna turn out good, but I'll show you guys the whole process. I finished up my workday. Baked a cake earlier this morning that's in the freezer. I was feeling very lazy and didn't really want to cook anything for dinner, so I did Uber Eats something. I got Hainan chicken, and I haven't had it in a while. If you don't know what Hainan chicken is, it is like a braised chicken. I think they braise it in like chicken stock or some type of soup. Very good. It's basically just like a very tender braised chicken. Comes with rice on the side, 2 sauces. One is a green sauce, one's a red sauce. I think one of them is like a little bit spicy. And then some pickled veggies, but I'm also gonna have some kimchi on the side. And then it comes with some bone broth. Okay, I'm very excited to eat this. I haven't had this in a very long time, and it's like the perfect comfort food. This is the kimchi that I always get. I get it from H Mart, but this is the brand and the label. This is the best kimchi, best store-bought kimchi that you can get. This is the kimchi that my mom always buys. So little pro tip, if you don't want to get any of your dishes dirty, I always have these plastic gloves. This is like, I feel like this is a very Asian thing, but I always have plastic gloves, and it just makes it easy to handle food, like if you're marinating chicken, beef, or if you want to get some kimchi out of a jar, then you can use it for this purpose. I watched Princess Diaries a few days ago, so I might watch the second one because I love that movie. You guys, I just got done with my degree. I have not done it in months. I actually don't even know the last time that I did it. I think I'm gonna get a smoothie somewhere, and then I also have to do a return. I think I'm going to go to UPS. I just got my smoothie. I stopped by Earth Bar. I haven't been here in a while. I got their Flax Master, so it has like acai, blueberry, bananas, and a lot of good stuff, so It's a really pretty day out today. I just want to sit in the sun all day. I am about to go meet with my family in a little bit to have lunch, and then afterwards Bella and Ezra are gonna come over. So I'm really excited to see them. I haven't seen them in a while. I'm gonna sit out by my pool, probably have dinner together. I ran out of my ClassPass credits. My credits don't renew until the 8th of every month, and it's only March 14th. How did I already use up this many? It is on the 8th. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I need to do that. My mom made some amazing Korean food and she packed some up so that I could take some home. I'm very, very excited to eat this. She really chefed it up. My mom is like the best cook that I know and she makes the best Korean food, in my opinion. So this is what she packed up for me. This is galbitang, so it's basically braised beef, carrots, chestnuts, and Korean radish. It is so good. The beef is like so tender and so much flavor. And then she made garlic cilantro rice with shrimp. And then she made this potato salad. It has potatoes, apples, carrots, I think. And then it's like also a mix of like potato salad, egg salad. So good. Last but not least, japchae, acorn noodles with beef, spinach, carrots, sauteed onions, bell peppers. It is so good. I'm gonna feast right now.